Welcome to Dream Homes Tour, Luxury Designs, where elegance meets imagination. In this journey, we step into spaces that redefine what it means to live beautifully. Every wall, every texture, every light beam tells a story of craftsmanship, innovation, and the pursuit of perfection. These homes aren't just places to live, they are works of art, designed to awaken your senses and inspire your dreams.
That luxury's not just what we see, but how we live, how we believe. Crystal lights above, reflections deep and wide, modern lines with timeless minds.
Every corner has been designed to inspire awe. The play of natural light through expansive glass walls, the harmony of textures, and the balance between open spaces and intimate corners create an atmosphere that feels both grand and welcoming. It's a space where design meets lifestyle, where art meets comfort.
In these walls of dreams, build our peace with chandeliers and velvet seats. It's more than gold, it's where we grow. In every room, our hearts will know that luxury's not just what we see, but how we live, how we believe. Crystal light with pride through doors, with chandeliers and velvet seats. It's more. It's walls of dreams, we build our peace with chandeliers and velvet seats. It's more than gold, it's where we grow. In every room, our hearts will know that luxury's not just what we see, but how we live, how we believe.
Step inside to discover over 12,000 square feet of meticulously crafted interiors. Soaring ceilings, imported marble floors, custom lighting, and open-concept living. Every room is a statement of taste and precision, designed by world-renowned architects and interior designers.
And so much more. Step inside the light where elegance begins. Marble floors and golden doors where dreams have always been. From skylines to quiet seas behind these castle walls. Every space a story, every echo has a call. In these walls of dreams, we build our peace.
Here, luxury is not about excess, it's about details, the refined finishes, the carefully chosen materials, and the seamless flow between indoor and outdoor living. Invite you to imagine what life could be like within these walls. This home speaks the universal language of dreams, elegance, serenity, and pure inspiration.
With timeless minds and joy we cannot hide. Each corner holds a vision, each color speaks with grace. Design's a form of living, it's love in every place. Life teaches slow, like curves in stone. That comfort comes when hearts find home. No need for more, just space to breathe. Where beauty whispers, you achieve. In these walls of dreams, build our peace with chandeliers and velvet seats. It's more than gold.
This isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle statement. From luxury, entertaining to peaceful retreat, this estate offers it all. Valued at $25 million, this property sits at the intersection of art, architecture, and elite living. If you dream of modern luxury, architectural brilliance, and breathtaking design, this home delivers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more high-end real estate tour from around the world. Tap the bell icon so you never miss a glimpse of elite living. Dream Homes Design. Real homes, real luxury, real inspiration.
That luxury's not just what we see, but how we live, how we believe. Walk with pride, open doors.